Volkswagen Barbie here. Into the storage shed I go because we have stripped down Felix the Beetle and I've saved all the parts that I know we might need, gonna need, and then a box of questionable parts that I just might need to reference back to. So we've got all the glass pulled out. Thanks to Chef for coming over and helping me with those because those were quite the booger to get out. But let me come over here and I'll show you the final product of a Beetle completely stripped down. So I'll give you a little bit better view of that. I'm gonna flip this camera around. I do have a few parts, so if you're looking for 68 Beetle parts, let me know. I probably have it, probably not gonna use it. So here we go. We have gotten it completely stripped down. It is ready for some chopping, major chopping around the front, firewall. But this is what it looks like once I have finally tore it all apart. Most people would give up, but not me. We're gonna save this and turn it into something fantastic. So, anybody needing parts, obviously you probably don't want the old wire, but I do have a couple of door cards that are good. The front doors aren't good, but the rear are actually still pretty decent. Anybody needing a back seat for a Beetle, let me know, because that will not fit, because that's where my LS engine will go. The material is actually not that great, but the framework itself is really, really good condition. So if you've got a need, reach out to me.